Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the EXOTAC TinderZIP pulls. Now, you may have seen these are just little pulls that you can add to your zips of your molly pouches, your jacket, anything like that, and it's to give you a source of fire tinder. So let's take a look and see if they're any good. As always, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe and click the like, and we'll see how we get on. So let's take a look at the TinderZIP pulls straight out the box. I'm not gonna lie, these are expensive. So you look on Henny Haynes, they're a penny short of 60 quid. As with all EXOTAC stuff, you pay for what you get. So that's almost like a tenner each for each one. So whether you would do that when you can buy a fire cord and stuff like that, but for the purpose of it, I just want to show you this demonstration. So as it is, it's the TinderZIP emergency Tinder zipper pull. It's got a fire cord running through it, so we're going to open it and take a look. So we're just going to use one just now. So that the idea is you can put them onto any of your clothing or any of your pouches, you know. You've got different ways of attaching them to the zip. So you can push it through like that, and then put it on like that. That's how I like to do my zip pulls. But we can undo it and do it the other way too. So I'll just show you that. So to access the cord itself, we're going to open it up. Okay, so you'll see there's marks on this to open it up. Can we do it without using a cutting tool and just your fingers? Well, there you go, I've lost the end. Good job I didn't do that in the field, eh? So it's off, and the clip's there, the little securing clip. So we'll keep that, because what we can do is we can, if there's any of this cord left, we can just put it through and secure it back on with the clip. Let's just do that. So that's how you would secure it without the way that I do it when I loop it through. Okay, so nice and secure it, and then you've got your extra fire tinder fitted to it. So let's take that off again. I don't have delicate hands, as you can tell, so it's not always easy to do this. So we've taken that off, and now what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at processing this. So the ends are already pre-melted to keep the cord in, so we're just going to open it up a bit and just get that fire tinder out of there. Okay, so if the camera will pick that up, come on, I'm just trying to get a good shot. I don't know if the camera can pick that up with this focus, but you can see the red cord in that. So we're going to pull a bit of that red fire cord out, which is there, as you can see. We're going to pull that out, and then we're going to cut a bit off and just ignite it. I'll fluff it up a bit. So I fluffed it up as such. Now we're just going to give that a little ignite and see how well it ignites. got it. Took a while to get it going, but we've got it. Interestingly, how much of the zipper would you actually use to get a fire lit with that? And it's £10 a pull, remember? £10 a pull. So let's just see if we can pull the whole thing out. It'll be interesting to see how long that actually burns for. I mean, we're talking a few seconds really. So one zipper pull primed. So to get a better flame on it and a quicker flame, you actually use the full TinderZIP. Whoa, that burns well fast. I'm really surprised at that. So for £10, would you want to put your survival on that? I suppose you could burn it with the paracord, but the fumes won't be great off it. There is, yeah, no, that was all of it. We'll just see. Yep, we got it all out. I'm surprised how quick that took. There's a tiny little bit snapped off in there. What I'm gonna do here is, that's the last little bit that's left. So I'm gonna light that in there and see what it's like for burning with the paracord. See if it gives you a longer burn time. I'd imagine it would, but yeah, it does stick to you. Right, so that's it, burning with the paracord. No, my answer to that would be just keep it, strip it out, because the molten off the paracord puts it out. So there you go. That's a quick look at the TinderZIP by EXOTAC. So truthfully, I don't know what you all thought about that. The EXOTAC Fire TinderZIP pull. 60 quid for 5. You're putting all your faith in that one zipper pull to light your fire. Boy, I'm sorry, I do like EXOTAC fire steels and things like that, but 60 quid, that's a tenner each. A tenner per zip pull. Can you imagine how much cotton Vaseline or other forms of fire tinder you can buy for £10? So £10 each. So imagine the amount you can buy for 60 quid, and they're giving you 5 strips. You saw the burn rate on that, how quick that flashed. It's like, you know, thanks, but no thanks from me. I know you all have your own opinions of it. You'll love it, you'll hate it, you'll hate my review or whatnot, but I'm sorry, but for me that's a fail purely on the pricing. We can buy other paracord that's already got fire cord running through it. You know, you can buy a 50 meter roll for a tenner. So for me that's a fail purely on price. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you that quick demo there. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe, please hit the like. Let's get me up to 2,000 subs. Let's see if we can do it. So thanks for watching, stay safe out there. Del out.